guys, dito naman tayo sa bulaklak flower. Tingnan guys, ang pangalan nito ay santan flower. Baka nakalimutan na ito. A beautiful flower. The flower is meaning of flower is love. That is the sign of flower. Love for each other. Especially your someone in your family. The parents. Bulaklak. Sign bulaklak pag-ibig. You see for this beautiful bulaklak. The name is called santan flower. Nakiting niya ito especially mga girl. Oh, bulaklak. The sign ng bulaklak pag-ibig. Mapula ang bulaklak. Bulaklak ay nilikha ng Diyos para ibigay sa ating kapwa-tao. Especially your lovingly parents. Tingnan mga guys. The santan flower. All right. Thank you.